Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn account. This won't permanently delete it, so you can hide your profile and activate it whenever you want. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to linkedin.com, sign into your account which you want to deactivate, and from there you go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now here you use the drop-down menu to hover over the settings and privacy, and into the settings and privacy you go down to the account preferences. Now here you scroll all the way down till you find the account management. There are two options: to close the account and to hibernate the account. Now the hibernate the account, as you can see here, your profile won't be visible to anyone, including your connections. This will hibernate it, so deactivating your account is by doing this button, and here you can press next and you can yourself activate it again when signing into your LinkedIn account. Now it's very easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.